Good morning. It would be such a mess if I didn't take you guys here with me because this place is magical. I've been feeling like this about nature lately. How much goodness it does to me. And how when I moved here, sometimes if you go somewhere and you don't know where places are so much, you end up not doing the things that you actually wanted to do. So now every day I feel refreshed whenever I come here and I do my morning cycle. More than if I had 10 cups of coffee. I feel more energized whenever I come here. And look at this, it's all frozen. And it just really does wonders to the spirit, the soul, the body. I still love city walks. I walk a lot. But to be in nature is something I cannot explain. In this place, I cannot explain. Why does it feel like I'm talking to the other side? Whenever I'm here, it just feels like there was this day last week and it was also foggy. I'm gonna try to find a picture of it. It was also foggy and I felt really scared because I couldn't see anything. Nature is powerful. We are a part of nature. We are as powerful as we want to be. And whenever we use this nature to our favor, we get stronger. I hope you have a beautiful day. I'm gonna hop back on the bike.